welcome or welcome back, guys. Today we are starting our wash and go series where we perfect the perfect wash and go. Enjoy. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have cut and colored my hair just a couple weeks ago, and basically today I want to attempt a wash and go. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and I did a hot oil treatment because I really needed it. My hair is really wet, but I still have my spray bottle just in case. And my hair has been finger detangled, but it hasn't been combed through. So once I make my smaller parts, I'll probably just run this detangling brush through it just to make sure that I got all of my shedded hairs, because my hair was like in a bun for like 4 or 5 days in real life. Okay, so let's get started. My hair is already in 4 sections, and I put it in 4 sections as soon as I got from under the water because I wanted to keep it as wet as possible. I'm going to use some of the Shea Moisture conditioner, not Shea Moisture, Aussie Moist, and then I'm going to mix in. I'm just mixing it up in my hand. And I'm probably going to have to do this for each section, which is fine. So guys, here I am just layering the products, the same products I showed you. I used Aussie Moist. I mixed it with the shea yogurt because the shea yogurt is so thick, it's hard to rake it through your hair. So since the conditioner is a little bit of a more runny consistency, I mixed it with that to rake it through my hair. And then at the very end, I added my As I Am curling jelly just to give me a little bit more definition because I noticed some frizz. I didn't plan on using it, but I needed to bring out the definition more, so I gave that product a try. So I'm going to speed this process up. I did everything the same. I wet my hair, I added the conditioner and the shea yogurt, and then I added the As I Am curling jelly, and these are my results. Okay, so I had to turn my camera off so it didn't die. I went through my entire head. My hair still has some frizz because I'm not using like something that's like a super strong hold, but that's okay because it's my first, what do you call this? My first wash and go. So it's not gonna be perfect, but I like how it looks. Maybe, I don't know, maybe like that. Yeah, that's better. I didn't want it that straight, but whatever. Okay, so here I am shaking my hair just to make sure my hair is clumping together as best as it could. I didn't want to go through and use a heavier gel to combat the frizz because I really didn't want to have hard hair. So that's why I was giving this particular product a try. So I was shaking my hair just to make sure it was falling correctly. Right here, my hair is about 50% dry. This is a few hours later. I tried to stay up as late as I can. That's why I look so freaking tired. I tried to stay up as late as I freaking could to let my hair dry, and it still didn't totally dry. I definitely noticed some frizz, but I did notice my natural hair curl pattern, which made me happy. Hair that's still wet has white residue. My hair that has dried looks regular, so I'm hoping my hair looks fine once it's dried. Try to stay up as long as I can to let it dry. It's like 50% dry because I feel like all of my hair, all the ends are dry, but the roots are still wet. Okay, so it's super late and I did my hair yesterday around 7. It's finally totally dry. It's been dry for some hours. When I woke up this morning, it was actually still wet. So it shrunk up a lot. I have not picked it. I do have a lot of frizz. I don't have any like white residue anywhere. It is defined. Let me show you guys like day one hair. I guess this will be day one, even though I did my hair yesterday because it's finally dry. It dried up today. Usually I do my hair multiple like little ponytails, like when I do my twist outs, but we'll see how this holds up. So it was actually fine last night. I guess it's mainly because my hair was frizzed up, so maybe that's why I was fine. I don't know, but I'll see how it goes. Okay, so actually I wanted to give you guys a quick update about this wash and go, and I don't have anything set up, so I thought I'd just do it really quickly. The one thing I didn't like was that the products mixed together caused like this white cast on my hair. It doesn't show up white, but if I do my hair like that and I like pull it and fluff it, there are white flakes like all over my shirt. So I won't be mixing those products again. And the definition is still like really good. So I put my hair in a puff. I was able to wear like 2 styles just because I wanted to wear my hair like just regular in the wash and go for a few days before I had to wash it out. So I did a puff a couple times. I pulled my hair in the front back. I put a pin in the front. Like I just tried to style it a few different ways just so I wouldn't have to wash it out quickly. I won't be mixing those products again. It did give me definition. I feel like, I don't know if I used too much products or if those products just didn't work well together, but when I fluffed my hair, I did have white flakes all over. I don't know which product caused that. So it's trial and error for all of this. So although this was not the perfect one, I'll be mastering it soon, and I'm gonna wash this out and try another wash and go. Anywho, in the comments below, tell me which 2 products are your favorite to use for your wash and go. Tell me which products you would stay away from. So give me 2 you use and 1 you stay away from. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, share this video. Tell me if it gave you any insight on anything. You know, give me a little feedback. Okay? Okay, bye.